What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video we are going to do an unboxing and installation of this cover right here. Two license plate cover, one for the front, one for the back. Also in the package guys we have some dust cap, and these are basically 4 dust cap for the tire, and they are all dark footprint. So we have a cup holder mat right here, and this is basically 2 inside, as you can see right there. And with the license plate right here we have a screw, so that basically comes inside the package. Now guys, before we install it right here, just want to look at the texture right here. This is basically made from metal, so as you guys can see right here, this have a metal finish, as you guys can see, and these are the screw that inside. So these come with some basically screw holder right here, so these have them. So inside there guys we have 4 screw, and we have some cap for the screw as well, and it plays like so. So basically these are the screw. I already have some installed on this, so these are the screw come inside, so you can place a hole behind your license plate at the back part, so it come like this, and you can screw it on right here to basically bolt it. So it basically will fit perfectly fine on right here. So I'm going to screw it up right now to show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, as you can see it has now been installed and the last bit right here, and that's how it look. So basically I put 2 screw in right here to basically hold it into place. So guys, that's how it look. So this is basically fit perfectly on the back, but if you are going to use it on the front, you may need to bore a hole based on how this lined up. Alright guys, so basically these is what go inside the cup holder right here. So I'm gonna basically place these right now inside the cup holder, as you guys can see right there. It's now inside and it basically fit like that.